Oh hey, I didn't see you there. It's your boy, Mr. FlavorSavor, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make some cheesecake. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you wanna do is preheat your oven to 300. Now most cheesecakes, you need a KitchenAid to whip it, but I don't have one. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a blender. And I did this before and it actually came out pretty good. I'm using a Vitamix blender. So I'm gonna teach you how to use this and make the recipe. Okay, so you're gonna need 3 packets of graham crackers. I have sugar honey flavored ones, and we're gonna throw all of them into the blender. So I'm gonna start pulsing this. Once you get that good spot, start blending. Alright, that's how we want it. Sweet. If you see a big piece like this, just go ahead and eat it. So, just go ahead and get a bowl. Pour all that graham cracker in. You're gonna get 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And then you're gonna get 1 stick of butter. Now if it gets dry, guys, just add a little bit more melted butter. So once you get a nice consistency, you're gonna get a spring pan. What I did was I buttered all around, and then you're gonna get parchment paper and get it to the same size as the bottom, and then just put that in. Cool. And then we're gonna, don't dump all of your mixture in yet. Just dump a little bit at a time. And then what I do is I get like something heavy. Well, I'm using a potato masher. That works the best for me. And then you're gonna spread it. And what some people do is they keep some and then they'll use it for the side, so they'll have a side crust. What I do is I like a bigger, thicker crust on the bottom and then the cheesecake on top. I think that works a lot better. Now I have some extra left over. I'm just gonna keep it if anybody wants it on the side or on top. So we're gonna take our crust and we're gonna put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. You don't wanna cook it more than 10 minutes. Alright guys, so the crust is in the oven for about 10 minutes. While it's baking for 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and make our cheesecake batter. So get yourself a blender. Now we're gonna do 2.5 packets of cream cheese. Now get all these ingredients down to room temperature. It makes it a lot better, and then when it bakes a lot better that way. So put your cream cheese in first. And then you're gonna get your sour cream. This is 1 cup of sour cream. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of sugar, white sugar. Pour that in. And then we'll go ahead and we'll start mixing this first. Okay guys, so we mix this up a little bit. Now let's go ahead and add in our heavy cream. We have 1/3 cup of heavy cream. And then I got 2 whole eggs. And then I got 3 egg yolks. And then I got, where is it? Right here. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix this all up. Alright, so I mixed it about for like 30 seconds. Now I'm just gonna get like a spatula and just get the sides so you can scrape all the stuff that's stuck to it. Because you really want this to be really smooth. You want everything to be blended in together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get some cinnamon. Now you just want a dash of it. Little goes a long way, so I'm just gonna do a little boom. Just that right there. And then we're gonna do a little pinch of nutmeg. Now remember, don't go crazy, just a little, like a little boop. That's it. Now blend it again for another 30 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna turn that off, take it out, and then you're done with the blender now. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and we're gonna take out the crust. Boom. Now once you take your crust out, leave it on the side because we have to let it cool down. You can't put the batter into the hot crust. That's not gonna work out really good, so let it cool down. You wanna completely let it cool down. Alright, so when you take out the pie crust while it's cooling, go ahead and turn your oven on to 250. Since it's springform, it tends to seep through the edges and we don't want that, so I'm gonna get a foil. Cover it like this, because we're gonna cook it in a water bath. Now get one side like that, and then get the other. You just want enough foil so the water doesn't seep in. You're gonna go ahead, get parchment paper, and line the sides. Just like that. Now this is the best part about making it in the blender. You literally just pour it right in the middle. Ooh, shit, look at that. So now, you see how there's bubbles? So just tap it. Because we don't want the cheesecake to crack. That's the last thing you want, to make a cheesecake and it cracks. You can just throw it out there. This cheesecake is not gonna crack. I'm telling you, it's not going to crack. So now this is ready. So now you're gonna get something. I'm using a cookie sheet, but you want something that will fit into it and still have water surrounding it. So this is perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the oven. Put it in. Just like that. And then you're gonna get boiling water and then just pour it right onto the pan. Now you're gonna push it in. You're gonna close it, and you're gonna cook it for 1 hour. Now, don't open the door. So put a sign. Don't open. Smiley face. Because if you open it, you're gonna crack the cheesecake, and you don't want that. So for 1 hour, I put it in at 9:20. I'm gonna come back and turn it off at 10:20. I'll see you in an hour.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, it's been 1 hour. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn off the oven. So go ahead and turn it off. Take this sticker out. You're gonna open the oven door for 5 Mississippis and then close it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Boom. Close it. Now it's off. Now you're gonna leave it in the oven for 1 more hour. Put that sticker back on. Do not open the door. Leave the cheesecake in the oven for 1 hour. Now it's 10:20. I'll be back at 11:20. Now if you're wondering why I'm making this, like why is this dude making cheesecake like late at night? But it takes forever to make cheesecake. From prep to literally putting a piece of cheesecake in your mouth can take like 10 hours. Cause once you like prepping the ingredients like to make it room temperature, it's like you have to give it an hour. Cooking, you know, mixing everything together takes like half hour. Takes 2 hours in the oven, and then once you take it from the oven, you put it in the fridge, and you have to let it chill for 6 hours. So it's better to do it the night of, So when you wake up, it's already ready for you. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so you know what that means. I'm gonna eat this by myself.
Oh, don't cry.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so the cheesecake was sitting in the oven with, like, the oven is off. So it was sitting in the oven for 1 hour. Now, it's time to open it. So you can take it, don't open sign off. Now, you can see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's been condensing, and that's from the water bath. Let's go ahead and open it. You should see all that steam come out. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull out the rack. You don't want to spill this water because it's pretty hot. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take the cheesecake out. Alright guys, take a look. Now there's no cracks, but you see there's little bubbles. That's because we use a blender, but I'd rather have that than a giant crack in the middle. And if you shake it a little bit, you can see the center is a little jiggly. That's fine, because it's gonna go in the fridge for 6 hours minimum, and then it'll firm up. So we'll go ahead, we'll take this foil out, and then we'll just take this part and put it in the fridge. So we're gonna keep the cheesecake in the fridge for 6 hours minimum. The best part of cooking it at the night before is that you can just go to sleep. So we'll leave it in here for 6 hours. So we'll leave the cheesecake in the fridge for 6 hours, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Many hours later.
What's up guys? Now it's the next day. Now we're gonna take our cheesecake out. It's actually 5 o'clock right now, so it's been in here like all day. So we're gonna take it out. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and unspring it. And peel the paper back. Oh yeah. Guys, the parchment paper makes it really smooth on the side, and it doesn't stick, so it's even better to use it. Now, we put one on the bottom, so we're going to transfer it to a plate. Oh yeah. No cracked cheesecake. This method is perfect. Now let's slice into it. Alright guys, so I got a knife and I wetted it a little bit with warm water so it doesn't stick to the cheesecake when I slice it. Sweet. Now guys, you can go ahead and plate it the way you want. Eat it with whatever sauce you want. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it with that strawberry Nesquik. You can make your own. And just sauce it on. Take a look at that. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Actually, I'm gonna get a bigger bite. Oh yeah. Who needs a Valentine's date when you can get cheesecake? I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. Now remember guys, the world is your flavor, so make it tasty. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.